Hello, this is Dave Holston from FleeTec Academy from Dickinson Fleet Service. Today we're going to be discussing the procedure for utilizing the 5-in-1 gauge. The 5-in-1 gauge is a tool that we are going to utilize to inspect our wheel ends and our wheels studs and our wheels assembly itself for elongation, for stretched threads, for stretched mounting bolts, hardware. And we want to make sure that we are inspecting this regularly on our, anytime we remove a wheel from the vehicle, we want to make sure that we use this so that we are 100% sure that we are assembling this wheel properly. So what we're going to do with our 5-in-1 tool, the 5-in-1 tool, the center portion is going to slide over the stud as thus. We're going to remove all the nuts. If we can, insert that pilot into the thread, into the stud, and if we count 4 to 5 threads, the stud is stretched, and we need to replace all 10 stud assemblies, right? So we're going to do each and every stud. You see here, we have 2 threads showing. That's good. And 2 threads as well. So all of our studs on our wheel ends are in good shape, meaning that they're not stretched and they pass the recommended 5-in-1 gauge tool. The next portion, we're going to check for elongation and threads on our Unilug nut. We're going to take our key ring, which comes with the tool, off of the tool, and we're going to set this aside for now. We're going to take our 5-in-1 tool with our indicator, silver indicator line. Our silver indicator line is going to be inserted into the lug nut. If you cannot get it through, you can still see the silver line. That's a good reading. You flip the lug nut over, insert the tool into the opposite side, and if you can see that silver line, it's good. So all good. This silver line indicates 4 threads. 4 threads on the wheel stud is the same as this indication. So now the lug nuts and the studs have all been checked, so we know the hub assembly is in good shape. Now we want to check our wheel itself for elongation or worn out bolt holes. The shouldered end of the 5-in-1 gauge will go into the bolt hole. If you cannot force it through, it's good. We're going to check all bolt holes on the face of the wheel assembly. It's all good. We insert our keychain back onto the 5-in-1 gauge, and we do the same process on the rear. If you cannot pull the 5-in-1 gauge through, it's a good reading. The shoulder is OE specification to this wheel end. One more important topic, this 5-in-1 gauge is only for hub piloted wheels. The 22.5 millimeter wheels is what this gauge is for. They do also have a gauge for the bud piloted or stud piloted wheels as well. We'll have that on another presentation at a later date. Also, if you've ever been interested in a career as a diesel technician, check out our FleeTec Academy program where you can get paid to go for hands-on training. Plus you get a $10,000 tool set to start out as an entry-level technician with our company. And be sure to check out Dickinson Fleet Services for diesel tech jobs openings all throughout the United States. Please check the link below and see more for details. Thank you.